Alright guys, so in our last video we talked about mixtures, and now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it for the word solution. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write our definition. So this is a liquid mixture. So this is a type of mixture, but it's liquid, in which one substance is mixed evenly throughout another substance. Okay? So it's most of the time it's liquid, and it's when something is mixed throughout it and it's mixed evenly. These types of mixtures are harder to separate, much harder to separate. It is possible, but it is much more difficult. Now, down here, let's list some examples, and then let's list some non-examples. On the example side, the only example that I have in class right now, I don't know if you can see it, but it is my coffee. Okay, mixed with my coffee, I have creamer. Now, the creamer went in and it mixed throughout. Even you could say that the water mixed with also the coffee beans that were ground up, and that is also a mixture. I could separate this, but it'd be much harder. Okay, so coffee and cream, that is a mixture. Another mixture that you will see a lot, I know when they ask about them in 4th grade, will be sugar water, salt water, and we'll talk specifically about sugar water and salt water and how to separate those. We'll do those together. Those are just a couple examples. Some non-examples going to be anything that we had on our mixture list. So like trail mix, that's not considered a solution because it's not liquid and it's not mixed evenly because all the pieces are different sizes and none of it disappears. You can all separate it back into its original state. Crayons, okay, I can still separate those by color, all right? They're not mixed evenly together. They don't get lost, all right, in the mixture. Let's see, what else did we have? The sequins. Alright, even though those are harder to separate, they're still not evenly mixed because I can still see each individual piece. It's when you lose one inside of the other. Like the coffee and the cream, they mix together. I no longer see coffee and I no longer see cream. It makes something new. Okay, the sugar, it gets mixed in water and I can't even see it. It is something we call dissolves. Same with the salt. It dissolves in your water and it disappears altogether. And the properties change, the way it tastes. All right, so those are some examples and non-examples. We're going to explore these even more starting tomorrow, but I just wanted y'all to get the basics of the difference between a mixture and a solution. Now I want you to choose one of your examples from the list and fill in this box where you get to draw a picture. Okay, you could draw a coffee cup with coffee in it. You could draw some salt water, some sugar water. Okay, whatever you want to draw to show an example of a solution.